What we do here is go back.
What's good? I'm back again. It seems like it's been a minute, but you know, sorry about that. But I mean, I'm on schedule. It just feels like forever. I guess it's cause like the weekend. But I was at work Friday, and I was like, I wasn't like anything. Me and Jacob was hanging out. He was just like, "Hey man, listen to this song really quick. It's super duper funny." And I was like, "All right, cool, bet." Put it up on his phone and had like Yoda. And it was like some type of lip singing. And it was like hilarious. And I was like, hold up, stop it right there. I'm gonna review it. I'm gonna do like a reaction to it. He was like, I bet, give me a shout out. So Jacob, thank you buddy for putting me on this song. So, I mean, it's not necessarily like a rap song or anything. So it's gonna be super different. So like, it's not like the other ones, but it's funny. And if you like that type of thing, it's hilarious. So, hey, I think it's called like bad lip syncing or something like that, but not yet. Now you see me or something like that. But it's time to pull out
our handy dandy
tablet. So without further ado, let's dive in. Bad lip reading. Seagulls, stop it now. That's what it's called.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help.
I know this first part, so I'm good.
Down to the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Seagulls gonna come, put me in the coconut, and they did, and me going like,
This is the part I got to, so I gotta pay attention now.
When these birds attacked me, when I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Run. I can be a backpack while you run, jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
Put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see
Yeah,
when the time's right. Birds are back, your face. Now run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a job. Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there, screaming, come help me, please, the seagulls. Both your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Bruh. Bruh, that was hilarious, bruh. I'm so glad I watched the whole thing. I wasn't gonna review it and I wasn't gonna react to it, but I thought it was so funny, like I had to do it, like just for you guys who hadn't seen it yet, cause I've never seen that before. So like, it was super funny for me. Like the lip sync, the way they synced it up, it was like perfect. It looked like he was actually singing that song, and so like, kudos to that company, man. Like they did an exceptional job. Cause I mean, when you do this, you don't understand like a lot of the editing that goes into these videos. So for them to go through that and cut and paste and make sure that what they were saying was going along with the lyrics, man, like I have a great respect for people that take the time out to do stuff like that. It ends up only being what, 3 minutes, about 3 minutes, close to 4 minutes, and like of entertainment, and but like I enjoyed it. Like I know it was a lot of work that went into that, man, and so I thought that was funny, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I know it's a little different, like I said, but I thought it was like, I can be your backpack while you climb, sweet, rub that hairy vibe. that was hilarious. It's like, poke on the coconut. It was hilarious, man. It was just like so many little funny lines in there, man. I enjoyed it. I wanted to mix it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying, make you guys laugh. But like I said, like, share, subscribe. I know it was a short video, but you know, it was just one of those days. Leave a comment, keep dropping that heat, man. I got a long list that I gotta go through, man. But thank you guys so much, man. You guys keep me busy. Thanks again. Keep on dropping that heat. Set my ears on fire. Peace out.